Hey guys, let's see how to format an SD card on a Tapo C615F. I'm assuming that you have the SD card already in the slot. So it's super simple, just need to insert the SD card into the slot, close it, and you're good to go. Then you just need to come here to your Tapo app on your cell phone and come here to the settings. And from here, just look for storage and recordings and local storage. You're gonna find your SD card. As you can see, mine is good right now. But at the first time that you insert the SD card, just need to come here and tap on Format microSD card. Just right here, confirm, and just wait for it to finish. It's gonna take some time to format it. Depending on the size of the card, it's gonna take a longer time, but it's pretty quick. You see here, format successfully. You just hit OK. And you're good to go. You see here the storage information, there's no recording yet. And there's this loop recording to record all the time, which means the camera is going to delete old videos and record the new ones. So it's going to cycle and you'll always have footage recorded on the card, right? So super simple. Don't forget to come back here and check the schedule as well. See if it's recording every single day and every single hour by motion detection. And back here, local recording enabled, record sound is enabled as well. You have more settings here, the clip settings with the retrigger time, record buffer, and maximum clip length. Just make sure that's the way you want, and you're good to go, okay? So basically, that's the way you can format an SD card on a Tapo C16F. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, and give your thumbs up. See you in the next one.